Welcome everyone on today's demo call. Today's demo call is for understanding the astrology course in a much more better way. So, I had muted everyone. If you have any question or in any slide you want to ask something, just raise your hand or write in a chat box. I will answer your question. So I'm going to share my screen. Hope you are able to see my screen. Okay. So like yesterday I told about in astrology, the very first thing is ascendant sign, moon sign, and the planets. So, what is the ascendant sign and moon sign? The very first thing I want to tell you. Just one moment, please. Okay. So, what is the ascendant sign, moon sign, sun sign? This was the very first thing which you all want to know. So, in astrology, when we take the birth details, we create the birth chart, and the birth chart looks like this. Are you all able to see this? So, this is a birth chart. Here it is written birth chart, and the particular this here AS is written. This is the ascendant sign. So by taking the date of birth, place of birth, time of birth, we create the birth chart, and that is prepared by the software. So we don't need to do all this calculation. This calculation part has been done by the software. Now what is our work? Our work is to understand what this language is saying. So astrology is a particular language. If you are able to understand it, you can understand everything in your life. For this reason, the very first thing is ascendant sign, and ascendant sign is a particular sign. It is a 2 hour particular sign which rotates in the sky, and that is known as the ascendant sign. Means at the time of your birth, the particular sign from Aries till Pisces, among these 12 signs, the particular which sign is rotating in the sky is known as ascendant sign. Okay, that I had written. Ascendant is the first moment of contact between the soul and its new life on the earth, because when a soul takes a birth, means when you are taking your physical form in the on the earth, that is the first moment, and that is the ascendant sign. On the physical level, the ascendant represents the overall appearance. So when you are taking the birth, your complete body, you are getting the body. So your complete overall appearance is indicated by ascendant sign. It indicates your personality and nature. So how is your nature? How will be your personality? How you will behave with others? Everything will be, we will come to know from ascendant sign. And how you approach towards life and overcome your obstacles, that also be known from ascendant sign, because it indicates your mind. Then what is the moon sign? So at the time of birth, the particular moon planet is transiting from sign, it is known as moon sign. So I had written here, at the birth time, the sign in which moon is rotating is known as moon sign. In Hindi, we call it Rashi. So because moon indicates about our moods and emotions. So anything which is related to our emotions, it can be our relationship, and sometimes even our financial decisions are also we take from our emotions. Like in a just moment, we say, I want to take this thing, spontaneous expenses. So these are governed by moon. So basically, how is your moon? That is dependent on your birth moon sign. And if you know, many times during Amavasya and full moon, new moon and full moon, at that time we becomes very emotional. Sometimes someone gets feeling of depression in this particular time. So basically, it depends on the moon. Then to know ascendant and moon sign, we need date, time, and place of birth. Without them, we are not able to know. But if you only know the date of birth, even that we can know moon sign. We will not be able to know the ascendant sign, but moon sign we are able to know only with the date of birth, means your uh, DD, MM, YY. So it indicates because in particular one day moon travels in a one, moon takes 2.5 days to travel one sign. So normally moon stays in a one nakshatra in one day, and nakshatra is nothing, it is a birth star. There are 27 stars, so moon travels in one particular star. So that is the nakshatra about which I am talking yesterday. So that plays very important role in our life. So you will come to know from this moon sign. Then the third thing is sun sign. Sun sign is sun takes 1 month time to complete its travel in one sign. So basically, like we all know that Makar Sankranti, which comes on 14th January. So in Capricorn sign, sun enters in the 14th January and it will stay for 1 month till 14th Feb. So for 1 month, anyone who will takes birth, they will their moon sign their sun sign will be Capricorn, or particularly in all 12 months, whatever sign sun is traveling. So we can't do predictions on that basis because for 1 month it is a very long time. One day is quite good because you can change other things. And ascendant sign for 2 hours, and minute charts which are known as divisional charts, they get changed from 1 minute till 15 minutes. Okay, so anyone who is born in particular that month period will come under that sign. To know the sun sign, date and month is only enough. You don't even need the year also. So by that you know the sun sign. It indicates about soul's journey. Anyone who is looking for the purpose of life, for that purpose, we check sun sign. If someone is getting issues with the seniors, that time also we need to know what is the sun, where is the sun is placed in the birth chart. If anyone is going through any issues with father, or sometimes what happens, like there is the chart of children, and parents are not having their birth chart. So through children's birth chart, we can judge how the father's issues are going right now. So for that purpose also, we need sun sign. Okay. So this I showed, this is the ascendant sign. This is the North Indian style of casting the horoscope. Okay. And this is the moon sign. So here it is written MO. Wherever in the first place MO or in Hindi Cha ya Chandrama is written, that will be known as moon sign. Okay. And the next one is, this is the South Indian style birth chart. So only the casting of horoscope, means drawing of a horoscope, will be different. The reading will be same. Okay. So it's not like that ki if we are learning in a Vedic, all are the Vedic system, but just a drawing is different. In North Indian style, we move from here in a anti-clockwise, and in the South Indian style, it moves clockwise, and there is a definite pattern. So this is only the difference. The reading, the principles of astrology is same. Okay. And this is the Western style of making the birth chart. In Western, we create a circular shape, and here also there are 12 particular houses. Here, the particular symbols of planets are created, and by that we come to know how planets are working. So, is it clear, or you want to? Do you have any questions? Very sorry. Today I'm not giving here any predictions. So, whatever you had written about your personal chart related thing, I'm not going to take here. Okay. Because this is just to know how astrology you will be able to understand. So, this is for that purpose. Yes, ascendant is called Lagna in Hindi. So both are the same thing. Sometimes we call Teva. Teva is also the same. Ascendant, Lagna, Teva, all these are same. Seema, I hope you had understood, because I had taken slide forward and back 2-3 times. I will take one more time. So how can we find our life purpose by birth date? So, Preeti, by looking at the sun, where your sun is placed in the birth chart, and there are some more combinations about which I will tell you in the course, during the course. Which Nilesh, you had asked which chart we should follow. So basically, we should follow our ascendant sign, because ascendant is the first basic thing by which we are just dealing with everything, because we are living in a materialistic life. We have to deal with our finance, we have to deal with our every other work. So basically follow the ascendant sign, and if you do not know ascendant sign, then go through moon sign, and in the third case sun sign. Vandana Chopra, you have a question. Okay. And you had written your question. Vandana, I will unmute you. Just give me a moment. Shilpa ji, can you unmute Vandana Chopra? Hi,
Hi,
Vandana.
ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah.
Yeah.
What is your question?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, my sisters, they have become 40 now. They are going to turn 40 next year. So, and we have just shown their horoscopes to so many of the people, but they are not helping us out. So, I just want to know whether after learning this course, can I be able to help them out? because being I will be a novice after that, after I learned your course. So will I be able to help my sisters also and heal my own relationships also with my
Yes,
husband and my
yes,
in-laws?
yes, you will be able to heal all those things, because you will come to know which planets are not supporting, or you will come to know like which planet are causing these issues, and you will by yourself will be able to understand those planets nature, and do the remedies and in the transit of planets, because whenever you are going for showing horoscopes to any astrologer, they will just see the chart and give you the remedies according to that particular time.
That is what, ma'am. Whatever remedies they have given, we are unable to follow that somehow, or
Yes,
other way we won't.
yes, because those remedies are not for the lifetime purpose. So that's why you won't be able to get. You have to again and again repeatedly go there. But when you learn the course, you
That
will
is why.
know
That
by
is why I
yourself.
am. I am myself motivated now to learn it myself, because already being fooled by so many of people. Now I'm tired.
Yes,
Which one to believe and which one not to believe? That is also again a problem.
yes, and there will be a main issue is like which remedy you should follow for the lifetime, because you don't know what particular planet is bothering you. Someone
Yeah.
will say this, because it will again depend on the particular period. If you had gone in like 2 3 years back, particular some planet is causing the issue, now someone else. So in a in my course, you will come to know in the birth chart which planets are causing the issue, then from transit, now which
So
planet
I
is
am able
causing?
to, within this, after learning this course, within this much time, you
Yes,
think I will be able to find out my own remedies and then help out my relatives and
I had,
friends also?
yes, I had created this course in that particular manner, because it's not the course just for like learning, and now again you are looking for the help from someone. It is my own experience which I am sharing through course, because what I had done, I had removed the theory part, because if you go to any institute, they will give you the course, but there you have to go for 2 years or 3 years, and
That is
still
what I plan to join, that only before just getting about to know you about you and the other people through Lotus Dragonflies. So I was just planning to join this course from some good institute for 1 or 2 year thing. But then that is my same question, whether I will be able to provide long term remedies for myself and for my relatives, which I really need.
I can guarantee about myself,
Okay.
because I had created my course in that manner. From the starting day one, you will be able to heal your whatever issues. It
Like
should
I
be
am
health.
myself is facing so many problems with my husband. I don't know, he was very good, but now I think, I don't know, past 2 or 3 years we are facing some relationship harmony problems among us. So would I be able to just solve it out also in some manner?
Yes, yes, from the day one.
Okay, ma'am. And how
From
long
the
is this
day
course,
one.
ma'am? How long I will be able, like if I join from 12th of December, so then when will this course be able to finish it up?
Basically, this course is for 39 hours. So
Okay.
if you join like 5 days a course, then it will finish quickly. If you join the course which is for alternate days, because there are some persons who would like to take
No, I
some
am
time.
willing to join it regular, continuous basis, but evening time is okay with me, like
Yeah, yeah.
7 p.m.
So like you register, and then in a some time I will message you like
Okay,
what preferences you can get.
okay.
So,
So
uh,
I am willing to join it from 12th
not
of
more than
December.
not more than 2 months.
Okay, not more than 2 months, because I want to finish it as soon as possible so that I can help my son also. He has to go to Canada now, because this corona thing is also going on. I'm really worried whether to send him or not. Since yesterday I've attended your session and I heard that you told me that after joining this course, you are able to find out what is good and what is not good for
Yes,
a person. So I just, want to find out whether I should send him also or not. So I want to start as soon as possible and just want to finish it also as soon as possible.
thank you.
Yeah,
You
that
will
is
be
what my.
able to do. You will be able to do. Huh? I can guarantee about my course. I can't guarantee about others, but I know what I had created and what I am going to deliver. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Nilesh, you had asked about which is most accurate chart. So, ascendant, moon, and sun, all three are accurate. What we need to find out, it depends on that. Okay. Seema, you had asked about, is it true ascendant sign gets more active after 30? So it's not true. Ascendant sign is active from the moment you take birth. Okay. Yes, everyone will be able to check their own horoscope on the daily basis and even hourly basis also after learning the course and after few days, not from starting. Nilesh, again you had written, if someone does not know date of birth or there are chance someone do not know place of birth, how to find the chart? By transit of planets. Like right now, today's date of birth, today's date is 4th December 2020, 7:55 p.m. and wherever you are. So right now, what planets are going, by that you can know how to deal with the situation. This is known as a Prashna Kundli. So by that you are able to know how to solve any issue. So it's not necessary. You should know. If you know your birth details, that will be more helpful. But if you doesn't know, then it's also okay. Don't bother if it is not there how to deal with. Yes. Bharti, you had asked about which planet and its position suggest common sense. Join the course, you will come to know. Okay, so rest other questions, you will get answer from my PPT. Just 1 minute. Okay, so these are the 12 signs. The first sign is, the yesterday I was saying about zodiac sign. So these are the 12 zodiac signs. The first is Aries, then second is Taurus, third is Gemini, fourth is Cancer, fifth is Leo, sixth is Virgo, seventh sign is Libra, eighth sign is Scorpio, ninth sign is Sagittarius, 10th sign is Capricorn, 11th sign is Aquarius, and 12th sign is Pisces. So these 12 are the signs. In combination, we will call it as zodiac. So here we will not say Is it ascendant, moon, sun? No, it is a zodiac. It is a combination of 12 particular signs. So now, when you know, like you want to know about your ascendant sign. So at the time of birth, from these 12, any one sign can be your ascendant sign. For example, if Gemini is your ascendant sign, then moon can be that particular day transiting from the Scorpio or any from these 12 signs. So that particular sign will become your moon sign. Sun sign will be the third different. So it's not necessary the one sign will become the all three. That will be the just coincidence when all three will become the same. Sometimes there are ascendant and moon sign, both become same, but three cannot become same in a very common manner. So by knowing these 12 signs nature, their characteristics, what these 12 signs indicates, you will come to know your family members or anyone with whom you are interacting, why they are behaving in such a manner. This will be one part of that particular area. Then this is the particular horoscope. So here we call it as a 12 houses. So first thing, 12 zodiac signs. Then there are 9 planets: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Rahu, which is known as dragon head or north node. Then Ketu, that's the dragon's tail, south node. So 12 zodiac sign, 9 planets, and now it is 12 houses. So in North Indian style, this particular square will become the first house, and in anti-clockwise we will move. So 1, 2, 3, like this way we will go in these 12 areas. So all your life is limited in these 12 houses. Now, what these 12 houses means? These 12 houses are, the first house indicates about your own personality, your self appearance, your first impression, because it is the sign, it is a particular moment when your soul has taken birth on the earth. So this will become your ascendant sign, means the 12th sign about which we I just told, from Aries till Pisces, whatever sign is rotating at that time here will become your ascendant sign, and how you approach towards life. Then you can say this is the birth time sign. Then as soon as one takes birth, you immediately gets the family. So your immediate family means your parents, your grandparents, they will come in this second house. Whatever wealth the family have, that particular wealth will become the child's wealth. So money, speech, because as soon as you take birth, you starts crying, and cry is given from the mouth. That's why. And later we start speaking. So again that speech. Then the third house is your courage, communication, siblings. These are the just very limited things. During course, I will tell you many more, because one particular house indicates more than 100 of things. So here I had written the very basic things a particular house indicates about. Okay. Then the next is in the fourth house here, emotions, family happiness. If you are if you are having any property issues, or if you want to purchase property, if you wish to have a good vehicle, so how to know about all those things? So we will check the fourth house. Okay. Then the next one is fifth house. This is the fifth house. Here we will know about the creativity of a person, how creative you are. Then the romantic, romance, affairs, these will come from this house. your progeny, how your child would be, how you will be able to conceive, or if there are any issues. So, all these will be judged from here. So, what I had written the particular few things, but it doesn't means progeny can be checked from here only. This is the one main governing house for progeny or for creativity in among all these 12 houses. For getting any event from one house, other houses will come in support, and some houses will go in against. So what we have to do, we have to look at the lordship of the planet, supporting planets. So all you are going to learn in the course. Then the next thing is sixth house, which is the house of disease, your debts, enemies. So, if you wish to know what kind of disease I am going through and how to heal it, which particular planet is causing me this disease, you yourself will be able to heal your heal your health. You can pacify your enemies. You can get out of your debts also. Then the next seventh house is for your partner. It can be your life partner, it can be your business partner. So any kind of partnership will come from seventh house. If you are doing any business, then the seventh house should be good. If seventh house is not good and you are doing business, you won't be able to make good money as you desire. Then the committed relationship, you are not doing anywhere any partnership, but by your own inner self you are committed for any relationship, that will also come from this seventh house. So by checking this house, we will come to know about all those areas. The next house is eighth house, which is known as litigation. So sometimes there are some persons who attract litigations. Somewhere they will just uh, go in some kind of business related litigation, government related litigation. So why these litigations again and again appear, or property related litigations? So how to deal with them? So if you learn, you will come to know which particular planet is causing litigations and how to pacify. So you yourself will be able to do those remedies. Then will you get in property in inheritance? What obstacles? So all these will be come judged from this eighth house. Then the ninth house, this is the house of your luck and fortune and higher education, religion. So all these will be covered in from the ninth house. Like someone were asking about education, whether I would be able to do this particular education like PhD or some other uh, MBA kind of thing or any other higher education. So by looking at the ninth house, we will come to know. Okay. Then 10th house. This is the house of your career, fame, recognition, and job. If you are going through any kind of job related issues, it itself means your 10th house is getting affliction. Affliction means any planet which is causing the negative effects on your 10th house. So basically, in astrological language, there are among the nine planets, there are few planets which will always give you positive results, but it doesn't mean they will always give you positive result. What happens for particular one area? Sometimes they behave negative. So learning the complete course will give you the that ability when. So particular which dasha means Vimshotri Mahadasha, which I mentioned in the course content. So Mahadasha, like for example, you might have heard about Rahu Mahadasha. people are mainly concerned about Rahu Mahadasha. Rahu Mahadasha has started, so something negative will happen. No, it's not necessary. Even Jupiter Mahadasha can give negative effect and Rahu Mahadasha can give positive results. So it doesn't mean all those things like what? Basically, in your horoscope, particular any sign, any planet which is in a beneficial or in a auspicious post placed, that will give you good result. Saturn sometimes can give good result. Like if your ascendant sign means here, if you are a Capricorn or a Aquarius born, so Saturn will give you good result. But if you are a Cancer born, then Jupiter can give you negative result. So it depends on particular what your ascendant sign is. Okay. So after career, getting name, fame, recognition, so that will be judged by 10th house. Then the 10th house. Then next is 11th house. This is the house of your fulfillment of desire, which is considered very auspicious because we all wish to have fulfillment of our desires. So our profits, our fulfillment of desire, we will come to know from this 11th house. Then the next 12th house is for checking the foreign land. Like someone asked when we can go foreign land, or can I send my son or daughter abroad. So we need to check the 12th house. What is the position of this particular house? Where is the lord of this particular house is placed? What other planets are giving aspects? Then expenses, how much expenses, like um, someone asked me, I'm having a good earnings but still not able to do savings, so it itself means expenses are on higher side. So what we need to do, we need to slow down this 12th house so that expenses becomes lower and will be able to save money. Then sometimes hospitalization comes. So when the 12th house particular planet or something appears in your Mahadasha, Antardasha, that time this hospitalization appears. Okay. So these are the 12 houses, and I think most of the thing I had covered. So I'm once again taking your questions. If you have any questions, uh, please raise your hand and I will answer. Nilima, you had asked about numbering. Okay. Shilpa ji, can you unmute the Nilima Gujeti?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Hello, Nilima.
Yeah.
What kind of
So,
numbering you want to know?
no, on the slide of the numbers which you were showing for the chart, you had a PPT which were showing. In
Huh.
that, there was a box which for the before this one slide, I want to just have a look because you told you have to see from the ascending order. I mean, like when the
Yes.
1, 2, 3, and all. I just wanted to have a look at that. And also, I had a question for my own
Huh.
self.
Huh.
So, I want to know how this course will help myself to change my behavior and my approach towards life. Could you please guide me on that?
Okay. So this is the numbering.
Yeah, I saw that. Thank you.
Okay. And you want to know how you will be able to change your behavior.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. So basically, what I said, the first house. So according to your birth chart, like if you are having your complete birth details, and then you will be able to know what is your ascendant sign.
Okay.
So what is the particular that ascendant sign planet's nature? We will do some remedies. So when in the first starting of the course, we will we will try to understand what these planets indicates, how is their behavior, how is their nature. So according to that, you will come to know, and it will take some time, but definitely you will be able to change your nature. That is because you want to do. You can't change anyone else's nature. So it's for you. Okay.
Because I always think negative, I want to think always positive. That also
Yes.
can help me in this course.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Vijaya Galaxy. I had asked about planet position to learn astrology. Have doubt on it. Okay. Shilpa ji, can you unmute Vijaya Galaxy?
Yes, hi, ma'am.
Sorry. Yes.
Yeah,
Hi.
I had replied that the particular planets, if they are in the house number 1, 3, 5, and when I checked, I had this Venus and Mercury in one. That is in my Lagna.
Yes.
So maybe because of that, I'm motivated to learn. But will I be able to, continue as an, to solve problem? Will I be able to continue as an astrologer? For that, the other planets matter, right? So how do I go on it?
When you will learn the astrology, you will come to know how to make the your astrology as your learning part also. So basically, like you said, your Venus is in your ascendant sign in the first house.
Yeah.
So during the course, I will tell you if particular one thing is not indicating in a very good way. So what are the other planets or the houses which can support you? So by that you will be able to do. So don't worry, like you had learned the course and now you are not able to earn with that. Yesterday itself I said learn and earn. So
Sorry, ma'am.
I have
Not
that
about earning.
confidence.
Definitely not about earning because I've seen my, family
It's not
astrology.
necessary. It's
Yeah.
not necessary ki earning means like becoming an astrologer and earning commercially. Here earning means like if you are able to help your family, if
Yes.
you are able to give guidance to your friends or families,
Yes.
extended family members, that is also your earning.
Yes, ma'am. But anyway, I paid the fees and I've joined. I'm
Thank
not
you.
going to trouble you.
Yes, yes, welcome. You are most welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Seema, you had asked, is it true Cancer ascendant do not have great seventh house? No, it's not true. Every basically, if you know, I will show. Like this is your first house and this is the seventh house. So anyone's whose chart we are looking at, that person will become the self and the opposite to it will be the spouse house. If it is a male's chart, then this will become the wife chart. If it is a girl's chart, this will become the husband's house. So every time, whether it is the Aries sign or Cancer sign, always the opposite nature sign will come here. That's why every couple used to have friction 40% in their marital life. Now, how you increase or decrease, that will depend upon your particular intelligence, and I will give you the tools by learning astrology, like particular which day moon travels one sign, like this is the one sign, so moon will take 2.5 days. So if moon is transiting from this particular house, so moon will give aspect here for 2.5 days. That particular moment will be a good days to talk to your husband or your spouse. So this way I will tell you what are the good days, what are not the good days, and so by that you can heal your relationship or any other area of your life. Okay? Hope I had answered you. Manisha Shroff. When we have made issues or any help, we don't get when in need. What is wrong with our chart? Your Saturn is not good, that's why. Because Saturn indicates servants. And if Saturn is not in a good position, we will face support, we will face issues in support, whether it is from mates or anyone. Bharti, you had asked about nature of planets. Are they different from Western astrology or Vedic? No. Planets' nature, behavior, characteristics, all will be same, whether it is Vedic or KP astrology, Gemini astrology, or even Western. So don't bother what particular system you are learning. The planet's nature will remain same. The principles of astrology will always remain same. It is just the way how to look at the chart, and doing the predictions will be by your own intelligence, and of course with support of me for initial stage. After that, you will come to know by your own. Vandana Chopra had asked, will we be getting notes as my memory is very poor? Yes, you will be getting the notes. Notes means in a some PDF or Word document form, you will get study material. Then you will get the recording sessions, so that again and again you can watch the classes and make your own notes, because few things I am going to give, but there are always few more things which I am going to speak. So those particular things you have to make as your own personal notes. uh, Pratibha, you had written, is it true that a person will have the impact of Lagna Rashi too? Yes, person will have the effect of Lagna, Rashi, Sun sign, everything. So every planet will play a major role in your life. You need to just check it, how they are behaving. So you will be able to do that. Archana Janvikar, you had written, if we know all three, Lagna, moon sign, sun sign, then which should we follow? I every time advocate Lagna, always follow the Lagna, ascendant sign. What is Krishna Paddhati and Suresh Paddhati? These are the various systems by which we do predictions. So here we are going to learn Vedic astrology, Krishna Paddhati or any Paddhati. After that, if you all want, I will be able to uh, teach you. Right now, this course is only for Vedic astrology, not for any other system. Nilima, you had asked, can mother or father do remedies on behalf of their son? And how will remedies help anyone? Yes, anyone who is in the blood relation, whether your parents or siblings, anyone can perform remedies in blood relation. So you can do. Like for example, a 4-year child cannot do remedy. So basically, parents are going to do. Lajja, you had asked, will we get individual guidance from you? Yes, you will get individual guidance, because I am going to give personal attention in the form when you are there in a class. So I will take everyone's name. I will keep asking, and there I am not going to mute you. You can easily say whatever, and wherever you can interrupt me, you can ask. And whatever particular module we are going to learn at that time, for because all I'm going to teach in a very practical way. So I am going to take every particular participants their chart. First, I am going to tell how to check the chart step by step. Then one by one, you all will, or whatever the batch size, every member will check their chart so that you will learn under my guidance. So if anywhere you are not able to correlate, I will tell you, now check this way. You had forgotten this. Now check this way. So personal guidance and personal attention is there. And one more thing, if somewhere, anytime you are not able to say anything during class, like sometimes we feel shy and we don't ask, so you can anytime message me separately. I will give you time personally also. So don't bother about all those things. My attention will be there because I'm committed to make you do predictions. You have to also practice that. It's not that you are not practicing. So if you are working, if you are doing giving the 100%, I will give 200%. So that is my promise. Um, yes, for marriage purpose, we used to see Navmansh Kundli. So in the Vedic astrology course, only for marriage purpose, uh, uh, I'm going to make you learn how to see the Navmansh. But I'm not going to tell you about other all the divisional charts, because there are 60 divisional charts, and in that case, this course will become more lengthy. So I had not included the divisional charts, only Navmansh Kundli for marriage purpose. I will going to make you learn. Rachna Kapoor, you had asked how do we know which planet is benefic and which planet is malefic in which house? That you will be able to understand by learning course. Here I cannot tell you. So join the course. You will definitely and very easily able to know this. Um, uh, we are going to have 2 3 batches, so don't bother about the timings. Just check the dates, and even if those dates are not suitable for you, you can enroll for the course and message me, or you can message team Mystic Lotus. We will give you the solutions. So don't bother about timings, don't bother about dates. That that is just a part of this course, so we will do some adjustment in that. uh, uh, don't bother about the English names of planets, energies, translations. So that is my work. I will make you know whatever way. Like I know only Hindi and English, so I'm going to I can explain in these two languages. So don't bother. Yeah, third language I don't know, so don't expect me to know from that particular language. Yes, you will get the certificate physically. Nilima ji, physically, I'm not very sure whether I will be able to do that, but I can try. But that is the very sure I will give digitally, because this is the online course and we are going to have participants from all over the world. So uh, let's see if everyone will desire to have physically, then we can plan. So I think questions are complete. I hope so. Uh, is there anything else anyone wish to know? You can raise your hand, or there one more thing. I had not told you about the course details once again. So So here is the course details if you are not able to go through the yesterday's recording. So the usually my course, this Vedic astrology course, it cost rupees 1,76,498, and right now till today's midnight it is for 30,333 rupees, and the USD dollar, the usual price is 2,765, and till today's midnight it is for 476 rupees only. And whatever the bonus you are going to get during this course, because it is from the Mystic Lotus platform, so you are going to get the revision of course without paying any extra amount, twice or thrice in a year. Like you are joining in the December course, and after that in 2021, 2 3 times whenever I am going to start new batch, you will be invited, so you can join. Second thing, support for reading for first 5 clients, and it's not necessary if you are going to do if like in the starting you are not going to do with commercial clients, you just doing for your family members or friends, I'm going to support you. Then WhatsApp support, like you are looking at the chart and you are not able to correlate for anything, like somewhere you are not confident what to see, which house is causing the uh, uh, issues. So that time you will be in a WhatsApp group, you can message there. For 1 year that support will be there, and after 1 year also I give support, so it's not necessary, it's just like that. 1 year I'm committed, after that if I'm sometimes busy in something, so your group members will support you, and in case I will also support, but for 1 year I'm sure I will be there. Then further additions in course, like sometimes I'm doing any, I think like something this is more will increase the value in the course, so I am including in a course, so you will be invited to learn that also, and you don't need to pay any extra amount in this particular rupees 30,333 or in the USD 476, these all those things are included. Okay, then further, next thing is changes in planetary movements. Like I said, moon changes its sign in every 2.5 days. Mercury changes in a like a few days. So every planet has its own period. So in an initial time, you won't be able to know. So that I will keep posted you. The last thing is, like if you wish to become a professional with your astrology, and if you are knowing your other modalities, so you are invited to be on Mystic Lotus website. So only you have to pay 50%, so there will be the 50% off on listing on Mystic Lotus website. Okay, so these are your gifts. So I hope I had covered many things. Yes, Vijaya.
Ma'am, see, whomever I know, they all have the South Indian style horoscope. So will I be able to understand that, because you will be
Yes,
teaching the North Indian style, right?
yes. So don't bother about the North Indian style or South Indian style.
Okay.
Basically, I'm giving you the course material and all those things, but I'm not going to give you the software. So what you can do, you can download the free software, and
Okay.
in that we have the option which type of horoscope we want to make.
Okay.
There is the option of making South Indian or North Indian. So you
Okay.
can ask them about their planet, date, time, and place, and you can make your own chart.
Okay.
Otherwise, I will just tell you how to check it.
Okay.
So there is no issue.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes. So the payment links has been posted by Shilpa. Thank you, Shilpa, for posting the payment links. If anyone, whoever wants to join the course, you can just click the link and do the payments. Okay, and this is just till today's midnight. Tomorrow or after 12 midnight, the charges will become, the price of the course will increase. So if you wish to learn, do hurry. Okay. So I think I had taken your much time, and I would love to see you in my course. Waiting to see everyone there. Thank you. Thank you, Shilpa. And thank you, everyone, for being here for me. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. So I'm going to end this call. Okay. Thank you.